All right, so here's the space we're going into. This is my son, Asher. He's 18. This is his room. He has no idea what we're putting in here today, so I'm excited to get it set up and let him check it out. And here's the space here where I'm gonna put it. So you'll notice he's got his TV and like video games set up stuff over on this side. So that's why it makes the most sense to put it here. And ready to see what it is?
I have a quick question.
Okay.
Could I have just gone onto your YouTube channel and found out already?
No.
Oh, okay. the way you're talking about it, I don't know, makes it sound like for some reason it was already...
Nope. Everyone's finding out at the same time you are.
Oh, I guess that's fair enough. Okay.
All right.
Well,
here we go. So you will have seen the title and know that this is the MAXYOYO beanbag folding sofa bed. This is a corduroy extra wide fold full floor mattress in dark gray. So I'm showing you here how it was packaged. It is very compact, and that is why once you get it all unpackaged, you are supposed to leave it for 24 to 72 hours so that it can fully expand. I am so excited about this because I knew it would work so perfect in this space when they asked me about it. This comes in also, this is the full size, which is 54 by 95 inches. This also comes in a twin, which is 39 by 95, and a single that's 30 by 95. So there are different options for the different spaces that you have. And so you're seeing here how it looks just as we're getting it out of the packaging and starting to get it set up. All right, so we've got to wait 24 to 72 hours for it to fully expand. So this is what we're working with right now. Obviously, he will not sit with that chair right in front of his face, but I think it's going to be absolutely perfect in this space. So we will be back in 24 to 72 hours to show you the full fluffed version and show you everything it can do. So you're seeing here, this is actually more than 72 hours later, but everything is nice and fluffed. This is the softest, nicest feeling corduroy fabric. You're seeing here too, this cover completely comes off and you can wash it in the washing machine. That is huge for me because especially, you know, boys' rooms get a little stinky. And so you want to be able to wash stuff. And inside there is all a high density foam in the segments. And also there are like foam chunks in some of the areas. So it gives a nice fluff and makes it so comfortable and just cozy and fluffy. And so we are so happy with this. And then I'm going to show you my son kind of sitting playing video games in this spot, which I knew when MAXYOYO reached out to me about if I would be interested in trying this out. This is exactly what I pictured. I felt like it would go great in this space, and it definitely has. My son absolutely loves it. It's a perfect space for my nephew, nieces, his brother, people to his girlfriend come over and sit and play video games together. And not only that, but I'm going to show you how this lays out into a bed. And when we have people spend the night now, we have a comfortable place for them to sleep because we'll be able to put it out and I'll put a sheet over it. So my son is between 6'3" and 6'4". He's growing again, so I'm not sure. But this is showing you with the one end flipped over as a pillow, but you don't even have to do that. You can fully extend it and use the full thing as a bed. So after over a week of using this product, I can confidently say that it has become my son's new favorite thing. He spends more time on there than he does his bed, I think. And so we are so happy to have this. If you have a teenage boy, because I have all boys and I have found them to be very hard to buy for birthdays, Christmas, that kind of thing. I think this is absolutely perfect because it's something useful. And not only can they use it for sitting and playing games with their friends and stuff like that, but also as an extra sleeping space. My niece is coming over tomorrow night. She will be sleeping on this, and we are just so happy with it. It's so comfortable, so cozy, just perfect. Check out all the details in the description box below.